Hey, Kerry's Kitchen. Told you I'd do the Satay sauce for you. So, we're going to start off with peanut butter. About 3 scoops of peanut butter into my container. Next thing we're going to do, red Thai curry. About a spoonful red Thai curry into there. A little bit of sugar, a little bit of brown sugar, boiling water. Okay, I've got some boiling water sitting there ready, about 150. Not a lot of water. And you can make this, you can adjust this. You can adjust this to suit you. Remember, I've got my chicken marinated, and I did it in red Thai curry. I just wrapped it up, I got all the chicken and I just moisturised it with red Thai curry. Now I've got it on skewers. Okay, so this is what's happening. Peanut butter's starting to absorb and the red Thai curry, a little bit of sugar. Okay, so I've got some fish sauce, a little bit of fish sauce, normally about a tablespoon of fish sauce. You can adjust that as you go because of the taste. It creates a beautiful flavour. Okay, so here we go. You can see the sauce starting to come up now. This is a quick and easy way. If you show it to an Asian person, they'd probably laugh at you. A little bit of soy sauce. A little bit of soy sauce. Seriously, that's all you need. There it is. Satay sauce. How quick and easy is that? Peanut butter, a little bit of red Thai curry, a bit of sugar, fish sauce, and a bit of soy sauce. A bit of water. And once you've cooked your chicken skewers, pour it over it. Beautiful. I've cooked my chicken skewers. I've got my satay sauce over the top. There you go, look at that. And what I did was, as a side dish, I made cauliflower special fried rice. So I'm going to put cauliflower special fried rice on the side. There's my meal. What a beautiful meal. What a beautiful bowl. Satay chicken. Easy as pie. Thank you. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.